Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2018 GMC Savana? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The Engine Compartment Fuse Box in the 2018 GMC Savana provides and protects electrical power for essential systems like the engine, transmission, fuel system, and exterior lighting. It ensures safe power distribution for reliable vehicle performance. The auxiliary relay box in the 2018 GMC Savana controls and protects additional electrical circuits. It provides reliable power management for systems beyond the main fuse and relay boxes. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The Passenger Compartment Fuse Box in the 2018 GMC Savana supplies and safeguards power for interior features, such as climate control, infotainment, power outlets, and seating functions. It ensures dependable operation of the vehicle's cabin and convenience systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.